What is IoT? The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. Thanks to the arrival of super cheap computer chips and the ubiquity of wireless networks, it's possible to turn anything from something as small as a pen to something as big as an aeroplane into a part of the IoT. Connecting up all these different objects and adding sensors to them adds a level of digital intelligence to the device that would otherwise be dumb, enabling them to communicate real-time data without involving a human being. The Internet of Things is making the fabric of the world around us more smarter and more responsive, merging the digital and physical worlds together. Pretty much any physical object can be transformed into an IoT device if it can be connected to the Internet and be controlled or communicate information. The term IoT is mainly used for devices that wouldn't usually be generally expected to have an internet connection, and that can communicate with a network independently of a human interaction. For this reason, a PC isn't generally considered an IoT device, and neither is a smartphone, even though the latter is crammed with sensors. By 2025, it is estimated that there will be more than 21 billion IoT devices. A quick look back shows where IoT devices are going. Consider, in 2016, there were more than 4.7 billion things connected to the internet. Fast forward to 2021, the market will increase to nearly 11.6 billion IoT devices. 5G networks will continue to fuel IoT growth. Major wireless carriers will continue to roll out 5G networks in 2020. 5G promises greater speed and the ability to connect more smart devices at the same time. Faster networks mean the data accumulated by your smart device will be gathered, analysed and managed to a higher degree. That will fuel innovation at companies that make IoT devices and boost consumer demand for new products. Edge computing is one of the most prominent developments in the IoT sector. Previously, data used from various devices in an IoT setup was transferred to the cloud in raw form. Edge computing is changing IoT rapidly. Local point storage devices placed in a local vicinity to the asset, such as a boiler, now gather only the data that is needed, sort it and filter it. This data is then transferred to the cloud and the entire series of processes becomes much faster and much smarter. Less bandwidth is consumed and latency is increased as a result of this. IoT is not the future, it is now. Don't get left behind. Thank you.